Okay, Naza Citra installed for Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. Okay, with Cogoo 9-inch roof monitor. Okay, this will follow with the main screen, fully same with main screen, head unit. Okay, for Naza Citra, you have to install universal player, universal size, which is left to right is 18 cm. Okay, this video for Cogoo CG-AD050 6.95 inch Android GPS HD player, DVD slot, SD card slot, and 2 USB, which is one front USB and one USB extension we'll put in a drawer. Okay, this player comes with universal socket, so you have to add on one OEM power socket for plug and play. Okay, this is simple menu and full menu. So you have to go to setting, turn on the player Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot, connect for internet. Then you log in a Google account, register a new Gmail account, log in Google Play Store to download app. You can download Waze, YouTube, Spotify. Okay, reverse camera. So Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. Okay, 1 GB RAM with 16 GB storage. Easy Connect mirroring, Android Wi-Fi, Android USB, and iPhone Wi-Fi. Selected phone model. Radio. Choose the frequency 1 and long press to save it. Android player, you have to clear apps, clear one by one or clear all. Okay, so this is 6.95 inch Android GPS universal HD DVD player for Naza Citra with Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera and 9-inch roof monitor. Installed by One Piece. Thank you.